Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your JotForm account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you link or connect your Zoom account to your JotForm? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Zoom to your JotForm anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe selling consultations, you know that by connecting your Zoom to your JotForm can automate the process and create events with your users. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your JotForm account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my JotForm, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and link your Zoom to your JotForm, it's going to be handled on the form level. It's not handled on the account level. So first you're going to click on all forms here on the left. Once you do that, you're going to see all of your forms that you've created in JotForm. You can see I just have two. So go ahead and hover over the form you want to add Zoom to. So for example, this one, and you're going to see this purple line and these three options on the right. Click on edit form. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see your JotForm. You can see right here. And then in order to connect your Zoom account, you're going to click on the settings button here on the top center. Once you do that, you'll see these options on the left. Click on integrations. Okay, once you do that, you'll see all the different integrations available, but you want to click on the search bar and just type in Zoom. Once you do that, look for the Zoom logo and then click on the link. Here, JotForm is going to let you know a little bit about what happens if you connect your Zoom to JotForm. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on authenticate. Okay, once you click there, Zoom's going to open up a browser for you to log into your Zoom account. So go ahead and enter in your email address and your password to your Zoom account, not for your JotForm. Okay, entered in my login information. I'm going to click on sign in. Okay, next Zoom sent me an email to confirm that it's me trying to connect my Zoom to JotForm. So I'm going to get that 6-digit code for my email and then enter it in here. Okay, next Zoom lets me know that I'm trying to connect my Zoom to JotForm. It lets me know the information that's going to be shared. So read through that. And if you're okay with that, go ahead and click on allow this app to use my shared access permission. Okay, next you want to click on allow. Okay, next you want to go ahead and choose the action. So they can schedule a meeting, they can register for a meeting, or they can register for a webinar. For me, if I'm selling consultations, I'm going to go ahead and click here, schedule meeting. Okay, here we're going to do the meeting topic. So YouTube consult. Okay, so we're going to do the appointment date and then the duration. Let's do a 45-minute meeting. And then you can go ahead and select the time zone. So let's do California. Okay, Pacific. And then here you can go ahead and add a meeting description. So YouTube consult for channel. Okay, and I'm going to click on save. Okay, I'm going to click save again. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see integration is up and running. So now we have connected our Zoom account to our JotForm. So again, this is on the form level. So if you want to connect your Zoom, you'll have to go into each and every form that you want to schedule meetings with your Zoom. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Zoom account to your JotForm, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.